Alright, first weekend of May. At syempre, dito na naman kami sa Robinson's Galleria for another busking Sunday. So magsiset up lang kami. Alright, ayan na po yung gamit namin. Siset up lang namin. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes kung hindi nagmamadali. Kung rush naman, kahit 10 minutes kaya naman. Alright, so after 15 to 20 minutes na setup, okay na kami. Pero 11:35 pa lang. So maghihintay pa rin kami ng hanggang 12 bago makapag-umpisa. Okay, see you in a bit.
If you've ever wondered whatever became of me, I'm living on the air in Cincinnati, WKRP. Got kinda tired of packing and unpacking.